Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize mail merge in the new Outlook. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser, go to the official website, log into your accounts, and once you're here, you can click on inbox, but we can use new email as an example. Click on it, okay? Then over here on the send button, you will see a drop down which says more options. Click on it, then start mail merge. Now, this will also apply to any emails you would like to reply to. So, for example, this, you can click on it once and then reply, and you will have the same option over here, start mail merge. If this option is not showing up or popping up on your account for some reason, you can go over here, options, and then there should be an option, start mail merge. And that's it. That's how you can easily utilize this option in the new Outlook. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.